my name is Lisa Charlton and I'm the Head of Education for Skincare at Twincare International. Today I'd like to share with you some key selling points in order to successfully improve the retail turnover in your business. Stay tuned.
Retailing is most therapists' nightmare, but it is essential as it increases your revenue of your salon. It boosts your salon's reputation. In turn, you'll increase your client retention. So here are a few easy and simple steps to incorporate to assist you in boosting your salon or your spa's retail sales. Each and every person who walks into your salon is an opportunity for a retail sale. So start by, number 1, asking clients the right questions. Don't ask, what products are you using at home? Do, however, ask, what are your skin concerns? Asking the first question is a waste of time. Your client will spend hours and hours telling you all the details of the competitive brand she is using and then need to leave. Instead, use that time to your advantage. Ask your client about their skin concerns and then direct them quickly to the right product choices you offer for them. Step number 2, do not sell to clients, educate them. Don't just make a recommendation. Instead, educate the client why they should use the product. Use your knowledge as a skincare professional and explain to them why their skin needs that specific product. Remember, it's all about their needs. Step number 3 is to have a confident and professional image. Unfortunately, we work in a very judgmental industry, whether we like it or not. Looking the part dramatically affects our client interaction and trust in us. When you look professional, you will also appear to be more confident, and this will assist your retail sales. Step number 4, keep your retail shelf well stocked, organized as well as clean. Never have dusty products on your shelf. Create the ambience of abundance with products that are well stocked, at least 3 product deep. Keep products relevant to the season, have good lighting to complement your displays, and let the shelves do the selling with you. For example, have shelf talkers, press clips, tutorials alongside your products. This again will assist you. Number 5, believe in the line that you sell. A client can recognize when you are fake or genuine, so try the products on yourself in order to talk from experience and be able to point out all their benefits. Personal experience is what people are looking for. People buy from people, not from others, or things, or TV, or anything. We buy from people we trust. So this is important. And another simple step that we can talk about is social media. Use social media to engage with your clients. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Run competitions, do tutorials, promote your salon and your environment. Create a need and want for your salon or your spa, as well as for the products that you stock. Remember, out of sight, out of mind. So if you disappear, so will your clients. When they look for a salon, you want them to think of you first. So again, I cannot reiterate, use social media to your advantage. People have time on their hands. Use the time wisely. Promote yourself. Use social media.
I do hope that today's key selling points help to improve your turnover in your business. Thank you for watching and goodbye.